Good morning, class 2 children. Now let me start Social Studies chapter 10, Time to Celebrate. Last day I read out up to Onam. Up to Onam I read out. Today let me start Durga Puja. Goddess Durga is worshipped during the Durga Puja. It is widely celebrated in the states of West Bengal, Tripura and Assam. Idols of Goddess Durga, Lakshmi and Saraswati are beautifully decorated in pandals. They are worshipped for 9 days. On the day of Vijayadashami, these idols are immersed into the river. Now, Raksha Bandhan. It is a festival that reflects the bond of affection, love and care between brothers and sisters. On this day, sister ties a special thread on her brother's wrist and prays for her brother's well-being. The brother in return takes a lifelong vow to protect his sisters. Now Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesh Chaturthi is mainly celebrated in Maharashtra. It is celebrated to mark the birthday of Lord Ganesha or Ganapati ji. Now these are the festivals. After that, national festivals. Some festivals are special to everyone in our country. As we are Indians, Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti are celebrated throughout the country. Schools, colleges and offices are closed on this day. Independence Day 15 August, Republic Day 26 January, Gandhi Jayanti 2nd October. Now Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August every year. On this day in 1947 we got independence, that means freedom from the British rule. On this day our Prime Minister hoists the national flag at Red Fort in Delhi. Flags are also hoisted in all towns, cities, villages, in schools and offices. Gandhi Jayanti. Mahatma Gandhi is the father of our nation. He led our struggle for freedom. His birthday is on 2nd October. Gandhiji's birthday, known as Gandhi Jayanti, is celebrated on 2nd October. On this day, we dedicate ourselves to follow the ideals set by Gandhiji. Do you know? Gandhiji used the slogan, "Hear no evil, see no evil, speak no evil." Now, Republic Day. We celebrate the Republic Day on 26 January every year. On this day in 1950, India was declared as a republic. On this day, our constitution came into effect. A big parade of armed forces, police, folk dancers and school children is held in New Delhi. It is famous as Republic Day parade. The President of India takes salute at the parade. Now short. Some days, whatever you read out in this chapter, it is in short. Some days are special like birthdays and weddings. Besides birthdays and weddings, some festivals like Christmas, Diwali, Guru Parv and Led are also important. That means religious festivals. Some days are special to everyone in our country. Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti are celebrated throughout the country. Thank you.